Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CertiK. On a daily time frame chart, recently CertiK has broken out this falling wedge pattern. You can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this wedge, and after getting squeezed, finally it has broken out the resistance of the wedge and pumped very well. And now it has reached the resistance of a bigger falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart to watch the bigger picture, then here you can see that it is trying to break out a very long-term resistance of a big and huge falling wedge pattern. You can see that we found the resistance here in the month of April 2021. Since then, we got several ejections, and here we had another very powerful attempt, but the price and is so far not able to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, a very big and huge falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for CertiK that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members, and so far this move has produced almost 24% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for CertiK that I shared 2 days ago with my members, and that is a harmonic bullish reversal gauntlet pattern that CertiK formed with Bitcoin pair on a 1-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price moved slightly down than this potential reversal line here, but they covered back very soon, and then we had a very powerful pump, and so far it has pumped almost 24%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of CertiK, and this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed, finally, we have broken out the resistance of this wedge. By the way, here we had a powerful attempt to break down the support of this wedge, but the price and could not break it down. We tested this long-term support of 55 cents, and I will show you this support on the weekly time frame chart as well, because there's a quite long-term support. And after getting bounced on this support, the price line has broken out the resistance of the wedge. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this wedge, that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 95 cents. And you can see that so far the price line has moved up to 88.5 cents. So we are almost there to hit the target for this falling wedge pattern. Now, we need to break out the bigger resistance. This is a very long-term resistance coming from 2021. And you can see that we got several ejections by this downtrend and resistance, and this is the resistance of a very huge falling wedge pattern, and you can see that we have a quite long-term support as well. And if we take a look at this 55 cents resistance, sorry, not here, this 55 cent support, then we can see that this 55 cents level has been previously working as a resistance here, and for several weeks it has been working as a support here. Therefore, again, it is working as a very nice support, and therefore the price did not break down the support of this falling wedge pattern. Now, if the price breaks out this wedge, and this time there is a probability that it can break it out, because the target for this smaller falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, that is slightly higher than this bigger resistance of the wedge. And in case of breaking out, the long-term technical target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of this wedge. That can be somewhere between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.